Welcome to the Kings of Luxury. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can have a taste of luxury. Something modern day has made spectacularly simple for the modern consumer is online shopping. The leading online businesses to date is Amazon, owned by one of the richest men in the world, Jeff Bezos. But what type of magic hides behind the walls of where it all happens for this top Fortune 10 company? Something very interesting, that's for certain. Bezos has devised a way for humans and robots to work in tandem to create a fast and efficient workplace. Robots bring the human workers different items to pick, pack, and ship. This raises productivity from 100 items packed and shipped per hour to a staggering 400 items packed and shipped per hour. It is anticipated that with the growth in technology and programming in the next 10 years, the warehouse process will be completed entirely by the robot team. Ty Brady, an aerospace engineer, is responsible for the robotic fleet's well-being. 200,000 of the robots are what they call the drive fleet. These smaller robots are what transport the racks of products around the warehouse to the human workers to be processed and shipped. This robot has been improved 4 times over its existence, being made smaller, more compact, with the ability to hold heavier pallets and have attachments put on to create different types of jobs it can complete. The RoboStow is a robotic arm used to lift and move heavy items in the factory. This is the same style of robotic arm used in Tesla's Gigafactory. The Slam machines are also an extremely popular robot within the smart factory. These robots are constantly labeling packages at a speed of 1 package per second. While the robotic empire grows, Amazon is buying a lot of smaller startup companies that specialize in different useful robotic systems. Kiva was the company that initially created the drive fleet that is the bulk of the robots in the smart warehouse. Canvas Technology was responsible for the creation of self-moving carts that use 3D imaging to understand its surroundings. Dispatch was a startup company that was bought in hopes of creating a contactless delivery system. And finally, Zoox. This startup is the most recent acquisition, being bought in 2020. They specialize in self-driving vehicles. I'm certain there are going to be more acquisitions made to fulfill the vision of a fully robotic company in the future. Until Amazon advances to the point of a completely robotic staff, humans are still a vital part of the team. However, this conglomerate company has found ways to make the human workers a bit more robotic. Each human employee has a robotic vest that they are required to wear. This allows all of the moving robots in the warehouse to sense that they are there and reroute to avoid injury. Even with the impressive size and production of the smart warehouses, Amazon is looking still to make it more impressive. Construction for a robotics innovation hub with an estimated cost of $40 million, including testing facilities and a space to engineer and build new types of robots. The robotics doesn't end there. Technology and artificial intelligence is also used to predict what you are going to buy before you buy it. This is how faster shipping is made available. Using this technology, a prediction is made on items, where they are then sent to a warehouse near you to provide faster and cheaper shipping. This is how some items have same-day delivery options. Finally, the piece de resistance is the Keeper's satellite network. Amazon is investing $10 billion to build a satellite internet network similar to SpaceX's Starlink. Amazon would require over 3,500 orbiting satellites. They have already received FCC certification for this project. This satellite system would be used to keep Amazon's robotic fleets all connected to one unified server. The end idea is that the entire process will be 100% robotic. Artificial intelligence predicts what you need. Self-driving planes deliver the items to a warehouse where the fleet of robots inside process, pick, and package. The delivery bot will then deliver it to your home, where it will communicate with your own personal robot such as Alexa, the Ring doorbell, or your security drones to deliver the package directly inside your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Kings of Luxury. Live your lavish life.